Happy January 7th. Let's see if I can get the dates correct today. I apologize completely. I went back and watched my video from Sunday where I was talking about the message for Monday, and I was all over the place with dates. I had a lot going on, obviously, so I apologize for that. That message was meant for Monday, January 6th. I recorded it on Sunday, January 5th. So I wanted to share a piece of art that I did yesterday. It was a channeled piece of art that came through like really quickly. I had a morning meditation with the symbols, and then when I started drawing it, the fire angels and the seraphim angels came in. And I noticed a connection this morning that I wanted to share with you. So here's the drawing. Let you get a good look at that. And I feel like it's going to do some third eye activation for some people. So let me know, feelings in the comments, messages you may be receiving from it. It's very powerful fire angel energy. The fire angels, when you call on them, they work quick. So there's some symbols in there that are personal to me, but maybe you'll find some other messages in them as well. And I noticed the connection this morning with the eye on the new tarot card that I got. So this is the dragon's eye, and then the eye here, look at how similar they look. So I thought that was interesting. So that kind of told me, pull a card, a spirit animal card for today to see what you get. Because dragon is, even though it was Year of the Dragon, Chinese Year of the Dragon last year, dragon energy is still coming through, like strong. I was actually dreaming about a white dragon last night and a white owl, and realized that that had something to do with Sophia's Code. If you don't know about that, that's a great book you can read on Audible. It's a channeled book that the author, she received a channeled message from Sophia, so that might resonate with you. And I'll just pull one spirit card for the energy of today. Nothing's jumping out yet. Let's see. Spirit, what would you like the collective to know today in regards to spirit animal? The Nightingale. So I'll look that up. I believe there's a story about the nightingale. Doesn't the nightingale sing when springtime is coming? Let's see what it says. To alert of springtime, I think. Sorry, my book of wisdom is tiny. There it is. The song of the nightingale is otherworldly. The simple brown bird, almost unnoticeable among the flashy plumage of the other birds, transports its listener to the realm of poetry. Nightingale energy is with us when we write, compose, and especially when we sing. It reminds us that music heals the deepest wounds. This card indicates a need to open the bridge between the heart and the voice. Is there something you need to say? How long has it been since you sang? Turn it up and write it down and let it out. So that's very beautiful energy. It's giving me, throat chakra energy. You can see there's some blue in there. Speak your truth. And that's what I'm trying to do on this channel. With my journey is speak more of my truth. I have a lot of this knowledge inside that I've been studying and working on for a couple years, and I'm starting to speak my truth because I feel like other people need to have some tools to work with, maybe need ways to express themselves, release stuck energy, you know, those types of things. I want to actually share some vocal meditations I've been doing. So speaking to the nightingale, I think, you know, that's a message I need to get out there. So I'll post a few videos on vocal meditations. Also, I will be sharing Qigong, some Qigong meditative movements to help you calm your mind, as well as continued artwork. You know, I do artwork every day, and I doubt you guys want to see everything I do, but I'll definitely post more art. I know that there was somebody that mentioned dragonflies, so that is on my list, and I will get to that, and we'll do a tutorial on that. But please let me know if this message, if you relate to this message, and have a great day.